Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to talk about rocking here on your Spine Corrector.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So rocking is one of those exercises that really can be a struggle for a lot of people. And while rocking is going to be a great teaching exercise here on the Spine Corrector, it's not where you should learn rocking first. You should learn rocking first on your mat, and then putting it on the Spine Corrector kind of gives you more feedback really on where you might be dumping into and kind of forces you to find all that length. But first, we got to make sure you can do the exercise before we challenge you here. If you are new to rocking, make sure you hit it on the mat. If you're here because you have the flashcards from OnlinePilatesClasses.com on the barrel stack, I love that you're looking at these. You'll also see on that card related and mat reformer exercises and also complementary exercises in the deck. So you can use those to kind of see like what else goes with this. If I'm not ready for rocking, you can use those exercises to kind of build up your strength and your connections. If you don't have our barrels flashcard deck yet, you should get it. It's amazing. All right, that's all I'm going to say about that. So rocking is part of a series. You go swan, swimming, rocking. I will show you the transition from swimming to rocking. You'll also, because I'm setting up for it rocking by itself, you'll see how I set up for swimming, which should also be the setup for swan, and you just move your arms wide. You can see that in our other videos though. So you want to get on top of the apex and you want to find a spot where you can balance, and all of us are shaped a little bit differently, okay? So you can start with your belly button 2 inches in front of the apex, but you may have to move back. So I'm going to reach my legs behind me, internally rotate them so I'm not gripping my upper butt, reach my tailbone long, and reach my arms forward. And I tipped forward, so I have too much of my body in the front. So I'm just going to just a little bit move back. You don't want to do too much. A little goes a long way. So again, arms forward, legs up. Okay, there we are. Then I'm going to reach my arms wide like I would be doing swan. But as they reach wide, I'm going to bend my knees and reach all the way back. And then I want to push my legs up and back, and that's going to lift my chest. And then I lift my chest, and then I lift my legs, and I lift my chest. So you only rock as big as you're working both directions. So it's kind of like a tug of war where no one wins, but one wins a little bit, and then the other one picks back up. You just go back and forth, and then you reach your arms wide to the side and then forward, legs back, and then you can drape. And then from there, you would transition into your grasshopper if it's part of your practice. If you have questions about this, feel free to put it in the comments below. I love answering your questions. I go live every Sunday. To do that, if you're an OnlinePilatesClasses.com member, feel free to put them in the members only community. We can also give you feedback on your form. While we don't have Spine Corrector workouts at OPC, they are an essential, integral part of like a good warm-up or cool down from mat and reformer at practice. So I love talking about it and learning about it for your practice. If you'd like to check out OnlinePilatesClasses.com, go to OnlinePilatesClasses.com/YouTube.